It seems to be very interesting two topics. This topics for organizing data and information, and also the other one, fundamentals of the communication. If we carefully look at those things, I feel it that, for example, the fourth one will be very useful section for the students to learn the database course, which they will learn in the second semester, and also the fifth section, the fundamentals of networks, has some connection with the other course in this semester, Internet and World Wide Web. Yes, the students will learn a lot of practical things, how the internet and the networks can use to do a lot of activities.
Yes.
But from the information system, from the organization point of view,
Yes.
how the people will look at and how the people will use those technology, those are the things that they will learn in this particular section.
That's right. Main focus
Yes.
in on organizational applications of networks.
Okay, so let's go to then the sixth topic.
Yes, which is the different types of business information systems. It is an 8-hour course, and here we look at different types of information systems such as transaction processing systems, management information systems, and decision support systems. We describe the basic components and the functions of each of these systems, which are used in for different purposes in business. Also, other types of information systems, which are specialized information systems, is also described in this topic, such as the artificial intelligence applications, for example, expert systems. So basically the students will get an idea of what are the different types of information systems available and their applicability to business.
So I understand that the student will learn how the information systems are used in the organizations, different ways, how they are integrated with the business processes.
That's
and
right.
That's the practical side. So in this particular sections, not going into very deep level like a management information systems course, which students will learn in the second year.
Yes.
But here it will be introductory one, where they will learn about the usage and improving their awareness
That's
of
right.
IT usage in an organization. Yes, let's go then the second one.
The 7th and 8th topics are based on system development life cycle. In the 7th topic, we discuss about the system investigation and analysis. This topic is 7 hours, and there are several learning outcomes. Here we have mentioned some of the important ones, such as identify participants in the system development process and discuss their roles, and also describe the tools that can be used to improve system development. Furthermore, the purpose of doing the system investigation and analysis is also discussed here. Now, the 8th topic concentrates on system design, implementation, maintenance and review. It is an 8-hour topic. Here there are main objectives such as the ability for the students to identify the purpose of system design and discuss the differences between logical and physical systems design. Also here implementation is also discussed in detail, as well as the maintenance and the review process. So basically the idea is for the students to be aware of what a system development life cycle is and different stages which are in the system development life cycle.
Very interesting. Another two topics, this 7th one, system investigation and analysis, and the other one, system design, implementation, maintenance and review. And I understand that they are like a foundation topics for the software engineering and the system analysis courses.
That's right. Here we don't go into very much detail. It is just a foundation knowledge.
And this foundation knowledge, in other words, I think it's very useful for the students who will exit the program before moving to the third year or the final level, because we have some plans of awarding them with the special certificates, people who are completing the semester 1. So having the knowledge, this kind of a knowledge which address all other basic things, I will improve their quality and the standards of the BIT students.
That's right.
Yes, the last topics, it's again seems to be a very useful one.
That is a very practical, gives very practical knowledge about issues such as security, privacy and ethical issues. Furthermore, we are looking at how IT can be used to develop our country, the national development. What is the role of information systems in national development?
So it seems to be very, very useful topic.
That's right. It is a very practical, has a very practical component to it as well. And here we discuss about computer waste and mistakes, computer crimes, how to overcome, what are the possible solutions, and as well as the privacy issue, which is very important this day and age.
Yes. So it seems to be, I mean, the knowledge and understanding about the information systems and technology is not enough. You should have a good understanding about how to protect yourself and how to protect your information, how to protect your computer systems, and also the ethical issues that you must be aware when you are interacting with the other people through this information highway. So those information is very useful for the understanding of the usage as well as the protecting you and also the behaving in as a good citizen in the IT society.
Of course, yes.
So then these are the 9 topics which will be covered in detail in this course, and let's move into the learning resources and the other materials which students must follow in order to learn this content. So what are the recommended readings in this particular course?
Yeah, there are 2 main recommended readings, which is Information Systems, Principles of Information Systems by Stair, and the second one is Introduction to Information Systems by O'Brien.